Guys, if you're looking for a cranberry sauce that is basically sugar and cranberries, this is not the correct place. But if you are looking for a real cranberry sauce with tons of flavor and very simple to make, fresh cranberries, orange juice, orange peel, a touch of cinnamon, salt, and agave syrup, no cane sugar. Yes, no cane sugar and very little agave. This is the correct place. You're going to love this sauce, and you know why? This sauce can be made in advance, even 2 days in advance before Thanksgiving. So there is a less workload for you on the actual Thanksgiving. Let's start. So we're going to start by putting all our ingredients in a pot. In this case, I did first my cranberries, the water, the orange juice, orange peel, the cinnamon, and the agave syrup. Remember, when you add the orange peel, pinch it and kind of squeeze it so you release all the oil from it, and then those oils are infusing our sauce. Move it around with a spatula just to dissolve the agave really quick, and then we're going to place it in the stove on medium-low flame for about 15 minutes covered. After those 15 minutes, we're going to check our sauce, and then using a potato masher, we're just gonna smash it, like kind of make it a little bit like a puree. This is going to help to release the pectin in the cranberries to make the sauce thicker. After 15 more minutes, in total it's going to be about 30, you're going to check the sauce and the consistency. Check if that's the consistency that you want. You can make it thicker by leave it 10 more minutes more, or if you prefer like this is the consistency that I prefer, because also remember, the cranberry sauce is going to thicken more when it's cold. So basically if you leave it too thick, the result is going to be a cranberry jam, but it's up to you. If that's what you want, that's cool with me. Look at that color. Like honestly, it is amazing. It is so beautiful. Imagine just putting you on top of your vegetables or your potato puree. Oh my goodness. And it has the perfect balance in acidity, sweetness, and spice. But still, if you want to spice it up a little bit more, just a little bit more cinnamon. You can add cardamom, cloves. I leave it up to your imagination. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Like always, it's a pleasure. From the kitchen of EATogether, Eduardo and Ariana.